How to update Hisense Smart TV. All right, the first method is updating via the internet. All you need to do is just turn on your TV, press settings on your remote, go to support or system about, select system updates or software updates, click check for updates. If there are any updates available, just go ahead and download and install. Your TV will restart automatically after updating. There are some important tips you do need to note, such as making sure your Wi-Fi is stable, not turning off the TV during the update, and most update takes 5 to 15 minutes to get completed. Now, the second option of updating your TV is enabling auto updates. Just head into settings, support, system updates, and then turn on auto firmware updates. Your TV will update itself automatically in the future. And then the third auto option is updating via USB. That's if you fail to update it with the internet. All you need to do is go to Hisense official website on a laptop, search for your TV model, download the firmware file, copy it to a USB. Make sure the USB is in the FAT32 format. That's the 32. That's the FAT32 format. Plug it into your TV. Go to settings, support, and update via USB. The TV will install automatically or manually using that flash drive. All right, now you could update your app separately by heading into the app store on your TV and checking for updates. But if your updates don't show, just restart your TV, check your internet connection, change your Wi-Fi network, or just reset the TV. All right.